Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kayeng bishar mentang Sngi kalau hukum bagi Pulit Tohkit inyau Sngi yo he Pulit ubala Shah ubak Gabriel Iangrai watla nagaliang ki Muktiar ubak Iangrai lapan pawe gajing persya igane namar bu umdan hapdeng gamet ke bekot bakhia habakren syakilat patai khubor hadin balawan ra yo ubak Iangrai siyeng bishar Muktiar jong ubak Iangrai ula ethu wat hapdeng gajing persya kayeng bishar kal ailat igi Pulit Tohkit inyau Sngi yau ni he Pulit hendrei ula ethu ru bagi yeng bishar kal batha igi Pulit bagi day ben pej bhai ka kot ka khia jo ba Iangrai bat ki de balik ra shigi Doktor yau ni he Pulit manla ka sau pra Kynta ha ke jing shisha Muktiar ba Iangrai ulong bagi Pulit kilaru ban Tohkit yo ba Iangrai kat bau dang dan ha judicial custody ne ha patok wala kataru la IT ki Pulit ban Tohkit yu na ka bentah nyau Sngi na kaliang ba Iangrai la ban biang ba 4 day setia ban syurai penrem na yu habatang ke jing bishar persya yu ka klempat sedang Laban kedau bau ba Iangrai ula syakem haka arterik naiwing halor ke jing kena bola pendan kam baklai ke pisa haka por batei ya ke NERS PSAP hathanat sadar hashalong menta ke Sngi ke kesin bedingkong belawan ra yo ba Iangrai siyeng bishar bat ansawan ra biang yu haka khat arterik unaiwing na kaliang jong Muktiar jong ba Iangrai ula pin idang bagila ban pan jamin na ke bentau ne he Pulit haka khat sauterik unaiwing
Baik yang lagi kering menong lah macam sak kelot lagi.
Let give me just request immediate. Please do not do the trial. Just be safe by the grace of God from the vultures and crows that which was a threat to my life on all sorts of things. Yeah, please.
The SIT team asks for 7 days of police custody, and we have objected to that one. However, for the interest of the case, the court has given 7 days of police custody, and he will be produced on the 12th of November. And the court has directed the IO to ensure the safety of Mr. Iangrai with regard to his health and his medication, and has been directed to produce for medical checkup every 48 hours. So right as of now, that is the thing. So he has been given 7 days of police custody.
You are earlier planning to seek judicial custody.
Yes. We have objected strongly to the police custody, saying owing to his health and because the interrogation can be done in judicial custody as well. However, the court declined to accept our objections and says that this is a period of investigation because IO's prayer has been accepted.
So what will be your next move, if you can tell us?
Next move, you see, police custody is going on now. We think that let the investigation be carried out properly, and thereafter we will see his new course of action. Probably on 14th we will put his bail application.